Hey guys, it's me, Matthew's guitar playing here. Well, I guess what? I got new guitar pedals. I got a tuner, noise reducer, a cool metal zone, so now I can do metal music, a Dyna Drive by Boss. This one's a Boss, Breckenridge, preamp, booster, and a distortion. Thanks my cousin Gregory. I appreciate it. So, the next day, hold on, let me get my other pedal. Alright, here it is. I'm going to compare the Fab Metal and the Metal Zone. Thanks my cousin Gregory. I love you. And these are pretty cool pedals, man. So, thanks a lot, man.